Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a fishtail plait, and this is a very simple lock styling technique, and I've seen it quite a bit all over the internet, so I had to come in and show you guys how to do it. It's very simple. You're basically going to take a section of locks and you're going to separate it into two sections. Now when you're doing a fishtail plait, you can start off doing a simple plait just like so. 1, 2, okay? Once you do about 1 or 2 stitches, you want to go ahead and separate your hair into 2 sections. And we're going to start the technique. As you can see here, there is a lock crossing over from the plait that we did. So we're going to go ahead and get that outer lock, come right over. It switches to this side, okay? And you want to hold this rather loose. It doesn't have to be tight. Now we're going to get this outer lock and we're going to come over. Just like so. Very easy, guys. Follow me. We're going to do the same thing again. Outer lock crosses over just like so. Enters this section here. Outer lock crosses over just like so. Enters that section. And we're going to continue. Crosses over just like so. Outer lock crosses over just like so. We're going to continue. Fishtail plait, very, very easy. Crossing over just like so. Outer lock crossing over just like so. Guys, if you're learning a lot, show some love to the Cash App if you're learning a lot, okay? If you love what I do here on the YT and you're learning a lot, show some love to the Cash App. We're going to continue. Continuing to hold our 2 sections, okay? Just like so. We're going to continue all the way down. Now we're at the end of the fishtail plait. We're going to go ahead and secure that with a rubber band. Feel free to rewind this video if you need a do-over on how to do the fishtail plait. Fairly simple, very easy. And that's basically how you do the fishtail plait, and I just secured it there at the end, all right? And basically, that is your fishtail plait.